Hello, my name is Sammy SoCal and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to use the grid method. To begin, you're going to need a photo of the object you're going to draw, a piece of paper, a ruler, and a pencil. First, you're going to start by drawing a grid on the photo of the object. And for this specific photo, I did a 1 by 1 inch grid. Once you're done with that, you're going to make the exact same grid on the piece of drawing paper. So again, I'm going to make another 1 by 1 inch grid on this plain piece of paper. So this step is optional, but sometimes I like to number the squares on the grid just so I can keep track of all the squares and I know exactly where things need to be. Next, you're going to start drawing the object, and you can use a ruler if you like. I like to use a ruler just so I can measure out parts of the object and get the dimensions right. Finally, when you're satisfied with your sketch, you can go ahead and erase the grid and you'd be ready to outline. Anyways, that's all I have time for today. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And once again, thank you guys for watching.